Pwede mo ma-interview? Ano po, name po? Okay.
I'm 32 years old.
Working life po.
I am a call center in
What is philosophy?
Based on what I have learned during my college life, philosophy is the science that deals with the study of general and fundamental aspects, not only in life, but those aspects concerning about existence. So it is also the love of wisdom because it comes from Greek word philosophy.
What is your philosophy in life po?
For me, my philosophy in life is not just only to attain my goals in life, but to have a successful life, successful career, as well as to be successful. So that's my philosophy, my simple philosophy in life. That's why I studied because I want to achieve my goals and to have a happy and successful life.
Thank you po.
Kuya, interview lang namin kayo tungkol sa filosofiya po ah. So, unang tanong po namin, ano po para sa inyo ang filosofiya?
Pinag-aralan.
Sige po, ang pangalawa po naming tanong po, ano ang filosofiya sa inyong buhay po?
Kaularan.
Sige po, ano nga po ulit yung pangalan niyo po?
Rodolfo Baya Jr.
Ilang taon na po kayo?
48.
Trabaho po.
Ito.
Sige po.
Maraming salamat po.
Okay.